Hello, and welcome back to Harbury Kids. My name is Isabel, and today I'll be reading to you Polly's Lost Voice. Poor old Polly Parrot caught a cold one winter's day and found she couldn't speak a single word. Now this was quite a problem, for a parrot's speaking voice is all that makes it such a special bird. Her feathers went all droopy, and she hung her head in shame. She really didn't know what she could do. Whoever heard of parrots having bottles in their beds or taking aspirins to cure the flu? The days went by, and Polly's voice remained a dismal croak. She sat right at the bottom of her cage until one day a budgie came to take poor Polly's place. She flapped her wings and snapped her beak and spilled her water pot. It made a dreadful mess upon the floor. She was so busy fussing that she didn't realize her voice was slowly coming back once more. She shouted at the budgie all the things she'd ever said and many other things that were quite new. So the budgie went away, and Polly reigned supreme, chattering as only she could do. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe for more.